Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you my step-by-step SEO content writing formula that helps you write content Google loves and humans enjoy reading. Whether you're a blogger, freelancer, or business owner, this formula will help your content rank higher, attract more clicks, and convert readers into customers. Let's dive in. Every great SEO article starts with one thing: the right keyword. Here's how to find it. Start with intent. Ask yourself, is the user looking for information, a product, or a service? Use keyword tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or Ubersuggest. Look for long-tail keywords like how to write SEO content for beginners instead of just SEO content. Analyze competitors. See what topics and keywords they target. Choose one main keyword plus 2 to 3 supporting keywords for each post. Pro tip: aim for keywords with moderate competition and high search intent. That's your sweet spot. Now, let's break down the actual writing process using the SEO content formula. I call it AIDEA. A. Attention. Start with a hook, a bold statement, a question, or a stat. Example: did you know 90% of content never gets any traffic from Google? I. Intent. Match. Match the reader's intent immediately. If they searched how to write SEO content, tell them exactly what they'll learn. D. Data and depth. Add real data, examples, quotes, and visuals. Google loves EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. E. Engagement. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, and internal links to keep readers scrolling. Include questions like, want to know how this applies to your niche? A. Action. End with a clear CTA, like downloading a checklist, subscribing, or trying your service. Now that your content is written, it's time to optimize it for Google. Here's the on-page SEO checklist. Include your main keyword in title, H1, first 100 words. Meta description, URL slug, at least one subheading, H2 or H3. Add LSI keywords naturally. Use internal and external links. Add images or infographics with keyword-rich alt text. Write a catchy meta title and description. Make it mobile-friendly and fast-loading. After publishing, your job isn't done yet. Submit your URL to Google Search Console. Share your post on social media and email lists. Build backlinks by guest posting or outreach. Update your content every few months. Google loves freshness.